Hey, so my name is Amarilis. I am from Bradenton, Florida, and I am a loan signing agent and also a field inspector, both which I had no idea were professions prior to the loan signing system. I found the loan signing system in January of 2022. I was literally laying in bed, recovering from COVID, and absolutely did not want to go back to work. I did not want to do the 40 hours. I did not want to have to give anyone answers about why I can't go into work. I am not feeling well. It's been weeks, and having to go to doctors, and you know how it is. So, and I've always owned some type of business. Google read my mind, and a little notice came up on my screen in my iPad of making $75 to $150 an hour being a loan signing agent. I clicked on it. Mark had so much energy. He just drew me in. So I filled out the information so that I can get some more info. In the meantime, I went on YouTube, started Googling what a loan signing agent is, and I was blown away by the amount of money that people were making on their own time. So that's how I got into the loan signing system. I didn't go back to work. Here we are a year later. I was sick for the majority of 2022. I am recovered and I am working. I am sitting in the parking lot right now of a job that I just did. Actually, jobs that I just did. I had 12 orders, 12 buildings that I needed to inspect, which I had no idea was a thing. Like I said, there's $660 worth of work for one day. I probably have about 8 hours of work, but in one day, $660. Here's a check that I just got in my email for $150 for a closing that I did. I printed it out, deposited it in my bank, and that's as easy as it is. You don't only get, being a notary and being a loan signing agent. Mark teaches you so much more. The support system that's in the loan signing community with Mark Wills is just amazing. It's amazing. Don't wait. Sign up.